Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. To know how to find a solution about Google Meet app, you should just go to settings and you click. After that, in this page, you will click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Google Meet. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll click on storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.